Alright, here's the final video. This is with the new suspension, the 2014 stock ISF suspension, and then the wheels, and then the MT ET Streets 275 40R17s. Before, this was definitely lower. I don't even know if I had a gap here before. So right now there's about 2-finger gap. That's good because on hard bumps, this would actually, I'd hear it kind of scrape the fender a tiny bit. So yeah, fitment on these are good. Another member, or a couple people on the forum said these fit and cleared the rear calipers, which they do barely. But yeah, haven't really got much time on them to see how sticky they are. But like I mentioned in the video earlier, I just change these out to rubber valve stems, and then I put the TPMS sensors in a PVC tube, threw it in the trunk, and then those are my second set of wheels, so it doesn't trigger a code. So that is it. The next and final mod will probably be the power steering ECU, which will be in a week or two, like I said in the last video. But this is primarily just covering these wheels and tires, just so people can see how they fit like that. Like so. Okay, that is all this time.